I'm waiting for the guys to come over. We're going to put this arch on today, but I unwrapped it, and unfortunately I found a little bit of damage. The light covers, these plastic light covers were broken, and see that little white piece of plastic there, right there, there. When I unfolded this carpet and let it down, it was in there. So I picked up the arch, and you can see where they had it strapped down. It somehow in transport or whatever, just rattling around, it broke. So there's the pieces there and there. But my canvas guy has this channel, and you see it comes in pieces. So he'll take this piece out, give me a new one. Well, yeah, like there's a gap here and there, so I'm gonna have to get 2 lengths of this stuff, get that put on, or put it on, whatever. I don't know exactly how it works. I think it's got to be heated up or something to get it on there. But for now, the canvas will slide in there. Just got to be careful putting it through that end there. So that's a bummer, but that's a bummer. It's right where there's a piece of wood right here. So it must have been just slamming around on it and broke. But whatever. The guy that shipped me this didn't charge me anything for shipping, so that was pretty awesome. So I'm not going to complain too much about packing, because I think shipped, this is on 4 pallets, or 1, 2, 3, 4, 6 pallets. 6 pallets on a truck. I think it's probably well over $1,000 to ship it from Baltimore to here. Maybe not, I don't know, but it is what it is. I'm gonna have to fix that and then buff this out. My wife bought a couple of these handles. She wants me to put them up higher. I think where she wants me to put them. I'll put them up later once we get it on the boat and she sees where it goes. But just waiting. It's a little after 3 right now. Just waiting till 4 o'clock. And when they show up, we'll get to work. Hopefully. Oh, and I also found a drawer, and he's got this stripe and this boot stripe, 2 coils of it. So they must have bought it thinking they were going to put it on and never did. So I have it. So once I get this all buffed out, I'll wash that bottom part with alcohol and stick the new stripes on. She is filthy though. Whoa. Needs a lot of cleaning. Got into the dock pretty good here. Can't really do too much with that, but I can try to clean this up the best I can. But we'll see. We will see. Alright, waiting for the guys to get here, and then I'll hopefully get a shot of this going on. I don't think that there's going to be 6 of us. I think there's only 4 or 5 of us. So I might not be able to hold the camera, but might be able to put it up somewhere. But we'll get it on there somehow. Get back to you.
It's awkward as fuck.
All right, what do you want to do?
We gotta get a guy up on the boat.
All right.
Or 2.
All right. You guys want to get up on the boat?
Sure.
You and Al? We'll just do 3. You there, you there. We'll hand it to them.
We're just gonna
Get up just like this. Once it's up there, we'll get on the boat and then turn it.
Shoes off?
No. Look at it. It's not light. I mean, it's awkward. You know what I mean?
So
That's the thing.
what's our overall plan here?
We're gonna get it up there and then spin it.
Is it a forward arch?
No, backwards.
We're gonna go straight up.
You got it, Al?
Yep.
You sure?
Hey,
You sure?
you go up there. Go up there with Fitz. I'll go right here. I got it. Back it up there with Fitz.
Watch faces how the works up.
Get up there with Fitz.
Gotta go a little higher. Okay.
Okay.
Got the camera, Joe? You guys are that way?
Yeah.
Girls for the girls?
All right, you guys got it?
Yep.
Okay.
I'm good. The only thing is you might have to steady it a little. I don't have much leverage over it.
Okay.
There we go. Brandon got it.
Pick it
All
up.
right, hang on. Let me get on the outside of it. Let Jared get set. You move over, help Jared second. Let him get set. All right, Jared.
Okay. Whoa, 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 whoa. Holy shit. Bring it over.
Did I lift it too high?
Yeah.
Sorry. All right. Take 5.
All right, Matt, get up there with Fitz.
I'm ready to go in.
Come on, get in there.
Joe, can you help me
Watch
out
out.
here?
That's the seat. Oh, sorry. Oh, it's gotta go one up further.
More forward.
One more forward. Okay. Find some wires. Wires go down the center hole.
Not on your side.
I was going to edit this part out, but listening to these two knuckleheads talk about the gout and the special water faucet that you get with ionized water is just too funny. I had to leave it in. It's just a reminder to me of how old we're all
You
getting.
can put that system in your,
Bathroom.
put it anywhere.
Well, can you figure
Yeah,
out
just
what we
put-
gotta do over here? Over
Yeah,
your
slide,
side?
slide. Oh. What do you mean? What do I have to do?
Well, you were in
Just
the
go
hole.
down. Oh.
See?
Just gotta come in. Come in. All right, hang on. I gotta suck it in for a
Go ahead. Got it?
Yep.
Okay, hold it up. Couple guys hold it up real quick.
I got it.
You get some
You
hardware.
can fill like a 2.5 gallon thing, put it right in your fridge.
Yeah. Maybe I'll put it in the laundry room.
Because I had a guy that had diverticulitis, and his doctor told him he should have that, and I was filling him up 2.5 gallon jugs. I had like 3 of them he'd give me every week,
Yeah.
and I just give them to him.
It's time, man. It's time. I got to do it.
The problem is, here's the problem. Me.
Yes.
People aren't
I'm GoProing you.
The problem is it's gonna cause problems down the road. It's not what it's happening to you now.
Oh yeah, no, absolutely. Oh, it's ruining your joints.
Yes.
Let it lean back. Let me see what it does. Let it go. Keep going. Okay. We're on that bolt. That's good. All right, good.
You want to get some more? You don't just don't want to. You don't want to just tighten it all the way down, Johnny?
Huh?
You don't want to just
I
tighten a
gotta
few.
get wrenches and stuff. I gotta put them on hand tight.
Put a couple more nuts on there, please.
You're making me nervous. It's not my piece.
Guys, they're halfway on. It's
Put a few more nuts on there. I'm gonna come up there and drop my nuts on you.
I got one partially threaded. We're good.
Let's go boating.
Got one of those, fender washer things on
Is
there.
this gonna make it on Fitz's Fixes?
Oh, for sure it is.
Fuck you got going over there, Johnny? Fuck Weaver Dam? Oh, this. Alright, feeling comfortable?
All right, I got to boogie down.
All right, man. Thank you.
That went well.
Yeah.
That went well.
That went well.
Could have gone worse.
Not bad at all.
No.
Not bad at all. Good. All right, I got to go take Danny to get a haircut, take him to eat dinner.
All right, cool.
Go back to engineering class.
All right. Yeah, look at Al.
Tomorrow.
See you, Joe.
He broke all this shipping and this. I know it. Whatever. I'll get it. They sell this at Custom Canvas.
You could buy this all day long.
Yeah. So
Little plastic plate.
yeah. So I think the
I don't know who's in right now, but I think
that's
it's
it.
Oh, I see. Yeah.
So I'm gonna go get a wrench and get these tight, and then
Plastic?
yeah.
It's not even aluminum. That's crazy. But why would it be up there, right?
Yeah, right. All right, well, here you go. I got the arch on. I didn't get any of these 4 bolts in. I got that one started by hand because you could reach it from behind the seat. But the other 3, yeah, there's 3. I know there's 5 holes, but that's where the wiring harness goes through. The other 3, you have to get in the engine compartment and get up in front of the starboard engine, over by the fuel tank, and then up to get to those. And I am way too fat and tall to get in there, so I'm gonna have my one of my employees get down in there. He's a little fella, so he'll get right in there. These sides all done because I can get to them from under here. No big deal. 4 of those. And this was a bit of a surprise. I knew this was new. I had a new top when I went to look at the boat, and he showed me all the glass around the whole boat was all rotten. So I knew I was going to do either a new canvas or at least new windows. And I still am, but now I'm not in a rush because I found all of this underneath one of the bench seats down below. And it's all brand new. Brand spanking new. So that was incredible. Super, super happy with that. You guys from the south, I don't know what you call this top with no windows on it. I don't know what it's called. It's like, you know, when you leave your boat in the water for a certain amount of time, you don't want the sun to wreck the glass or the isinglass. This is the top that you put on. I don't know what it's called, but holy crap, this was a nice little surprise to find. But yeah, like I said, we got some damage from shipping, so I got to go get a couple pieces of or a nice big piece of plexiglass and make 2 new ones of these. And then also I said this track broke, but I got to be honest with you, I slid this thing through, and it didn't even stop. I was pushing it through from that side, and I just sent it, and it just glide right past these holes and right over there. So when the canvas guy does come and measure me up, I'll ask him about it, and he'll probably throw me in a couple pieces. And it's easy enough. Apparently, you know, it's got all these little slices. You just cut the piece out that you don't need, and then you just get a piece of it, screw it back in. But super happy now. Now I have room to work out here, even when the weather's not perfect, so I don't have to take the tonneau cover off and, you know, have this all exposed. I can be in here, so this is great. I'm just gonna go down below and fold up the tonneau cover and then head inside. But that's gonna do it for this one. So thanks for watching. Please comment, rate, subscribe, and have a great day. All right, here it is from the outside with that cover I didn't know that was on there. This is a nice little surprise. Obviously you're not going to run, but for doing work on it in the driveway, you know, and the weather isn't perfect, that's going to work out. So I'm super happy with that.